Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dees with another adorable Easter project for you that's going to have a great kit up on shopdeeslouisville.com. This is a really inexpensive way to decorate maybe a lantern, a mailbox, or a flagpole for Easter. It's one of our lantern drops. We did them for fall and Christmas. They're always popular, always sell out. And today we're doing it the same way we've done it. You're going to take your fun stem. All it is one stem with two black and white striped eggs. It's also got purple, yellow, and pink little squiggles and a little bit of glitter grass on it. All you're gonna do is take your wire cutters, cut that stem off. Then you're gonna take your ribbons. I chose 3 different ones. First up is a black and white polka dot. This one only needs 1/3 of a yard because it's just gonna be a little piece. Because black and white is so bold, I didn't want to overwhelm it, so I just did a small amount. Next up, I did the adorable peep ribbon. I loved it because it had all the colors of the stem. I'm just going to lay it on there, make a couple loops. And then lastly, I chose the pink with the white fluffy edge. I'm loving the fluffy edge for Easter. It's just so pretty and fun. And we're going to do the exact same thing again. We're just going to make a couple of loops. You're going to take that cloth cover wire, tie it right there in the middle. Normally we would fluff out the stem all different directions, but with the lantern drops, I like to leave everything going down and then have the bow at the very top. And the reason I like doing that is because you can do it on so many different things. Like I said, you can hang this from the edge of a mailbox or a flagpole so easily, not just for a lantern. So all I've done is twist the bow onto the top. Now we're gonna twist it around the top of our lantern, and then we're gonna adjust it and move everything around a little bit. So I've twisted it on, and now you're ready to fluff and move everything, cut those tails. Let's cut this one up here. This guy. Black one's already cut. Let's bring that black and white polka dotted ribbon back to the front. So adorable and so easy to do. These are really quick, and the reason I like these too is because they would really make a nice gift. If you know someone has a lantern, or maybe you've given them a lantern before for a present, you could just make them one of these to hang on the front. Okay, I've pulled the squiggles back to the front. Let's do it with the purple over here. And then lastly, let's bring those little egg guys too. So super easy and cute. Just a nice little topper for that. Head on over to shopdeeslouisville.com into our Easter section and grab yourself one today.